Hey everyone, I've got some amazing news to share. I've been selected for the Infosys Springboard internship. And if you're interested in how you can get selected, then keep watching because I'm going to explain the process step by step. The first step is that you have been selected, you will need to fill a nomination form. This form is important because it's first official step to express your interest in the internship. The form including like some personal details, academic background, areas of interest, like this. And after you submitted the nomination form, your next task is to complete the required learning modules on Infosys Springboard. This is the most crucial part because if you did not complete all those modules, then you will not selected for the internship. So here's my tip is start early. The learning modules are not difficult, but there's a lot to cover. So don't wait until the last minute. Make a schedule and try to complete the modules consistently. You will get quizzes and assessment too, so stay focused and give them your best shot. And also I upload some assessment answer in my GitHub. If you need, then tell me, I will share my GitHub link with. So if you are looking to get selected for the Infosys Springboard internship, make sure you fill out the nomination form, complete all the learning modules and engage with the content. This is an amazing opportunity to kickstart your career with Infosys, so don't miss out. If you have any questions or need help with the modules, feel free to drop a comment and I will be happy to make more videos on how to navigate Infosys Springboard. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.